Okay, so today is day 42 and we are officially done. We may have a few things to do here and there, but this house is going on the market. The few things that are left can be done later or as it's being marketed, but it should be live on the MLS tomorrow. Got the landscaping in, had the grass recently cut, put a new mat by the front door, cleaned up that front door, painted on the bottom of that front door, so that's looking good. The one thing we could probably do is re-clean these windows, so that's probably something I'll have done in the next day or two when I have one of the guys available. But it is, I want to bring you in through the back so I don't have to go through the front. I'll show you what we did in the back and where we are here. So again, we did there's the dogs. So we did mulch back here. We didn't do any plantings. We really didn't feel like it was necessary. It was going to add any real value or help us sell or not sell the house. So we left it. We mulched it and left it. We did get the door on that little storm shelter, whatever you want to call it. Put the new doors on there. It's in place. It fits. It works. It's done. Garage is all cleaned out. We got a little bit of paint here in the corner and a ladder just in case we come back. And we have our little carpet groomer. So I don't know if you know what those are, but if you have new carpet in a house, instead of vacuuming it every time, you can give it those nice lines with a rake like that. It's much faster. You don't need to plug in. It's a little wider than a vacuum cleaner. So they used to use that after carpets were cleaned. They would go in and groom it. And that's where I got it from. So anyways, this is the mud room. As you can see, it is done. It is cleaned. It is now ready to be marketed. We got the carpet screen in. Here's what we do at the entrance. We put an area rug there so people can get their feet wiped off. We do provide shoe covers, and then we put in a sign that says, welcome to this beautiful home. To keep it pristine, please use the shoe covers or take your shoes off, and thank you. But you can see this is either dining room or office, depending on what you want to use it for. But again, it's done. Done. To give you an idea of how we groom the carpets. So that carpet has been raked with that rake, and it's almost as if you vacuumed it, but you didn't. And so there you can see that room is done. Same thing with the rake. We did paint the stripes, redo the lines on the grout. I don't know if you remember before, but a lot of them were black. There's a grout paint that you can use. It's called Regrout or Renew. It's cheap and it works well. So the sink's in, the mirror's in, the light's in. I'm not going to go into this room only because it's been raked and I really don't want to rake it again. But as you can see, it is done. So this house is going on the market. There is that beautiful wood-looking laminate flooring throughout. I got over 1,000 square feet of that flooring. But as you can see, we are done. I also put rugs where people, if you're going to go out, we put a rug there so people can not track in dirt, because they will. That's it. I will do another video later just to give you some heads up on some of the stuff we do marketing wise. But I did want to give you a good video of the house after it has been done. And it is completed. We are finished. Now, is it perfect? No. No house ever is. Is it good? Yes. Will it sell? I hope so. I do believe so. The house looks really good. That's it for today and for this project.